My people, now let me want to be the only presenter where they accuse of DNA will bring the DNA come aside. Mumu update one put body for the saga. Egbognoba. You forget say your sister na Orioba. And anybody where they share your video, they are all Orioba too. You don't know. Now, you dey talk about me and my lovely daughter Nora. Say make I return Nora to Bobby. When we be Arwao. This your pikin so where you born so Arwao. We be Umawa no nyamo. You dey accept us na your pikin. Umwe wo born. My bege wa gbona we I mean wa no ma oge. Na no gwa na dey jealous me. Ba me no see no gwa na jealous me Enogie because where I will say where these people they talk about Enogie. Where is people if they come bring their children come aside God. Ya na ge mo no gune. Ya na mo na bere ne. Wortoworto. Mona see mumu update pikin. Mumu update where ye DNA ne no go that with me are DNA. Mumu update no gugbo we wagbon na bola we. Umana we DNA over here arwa na demu. We mana we DNA yo arwa we bia na of your hakere small pikin just dey grow up, he don dey use that glass. Pikin never even complete 5 years. He don dey use that glass. Omo makira, o makiye. We are neme, ni me are DNA re. No gugbo wagbon ni babola we gbe. E DNA ni mere la jani where you go la jani Spain. You translate it. Jani gay. You are well at the Spain. You cannot give what you take. Eko better you are well at the no gugbo. Mumu Constance. Eko better don't bring juju come aside. E DNA on la jania. E bonia wono ati. Omu la dia. Nu we no get togwe. Nu we no that togwe wagmo. Mumu update you want use my precious daughter. Take compare this your thing with the copy king. Because now you first have to post my pikin this morning. You believe you way. Okay, where abi? Abu Orivogwe. Just stop this video, guys, and share. Who will remember where I'm more updating soon? Who will remember where? Oh, Mona, who where? No, Mumu update. Before you they ask DNA for person, you don't ever sit down and you ask yourself who this pikin resemble between you and the man we put for house. The hermaphrodite Mumu you are. You don't ever ask yourself. No soon we want hey with DNA. I got no gear we. The DNA where I posted, they are not posted because of any of them now. Because now when they talk about my children for social media, my children better pass all of my children. Mumu update. One of my pikin, it better pass all the one we say get for house. What soon we want more? Or what days wrong? All live over gbe. No gugbo we na nu, ni ba bo fe kule lo we. Nu deve agwa wagmo. Me na gele wagmo na ya gele ya biye. Now I understand. Now the way person be for this life, now so really take the bone. Oswanu Macron. If Constant say short for when on the picture la bien. Il m'a ya moi bogbe. J-boy m'a me di ni riri. Wa cover with J-boy. Wa gwa logo me here. The one where you break come. Go do another one again. Wa soon wa gbon. Abo la wa gbe. Il m'a ya we di ni ori. Il m'a ya we di ni ori. Be nu gwa me la yo wala dia. Mumu update. Go and bring your DNA. Because of you cannot mark where. Go bring DNA. Oh, work me out. Now let God know. It is on a ball game. No wonder you know they carry your children until they play for media. No wonder. When you saga say there will be a time I'll say no today. I don't want to do saga again. Let me play with my children. Imagine, oh, you were a Jamulajan, oh, you were not presentable. Oh, you were not presentable. Oh, why do you compare with me? Now I know why people are jealous of me. A man go say, no, we're not jealous. A bog bar. When may I DNA? Go bring the one where you get. Yari nu mere nu sun wagmo. Ni ba bola we gbe. Nu we Bobby togbo e. Nu we togbo Bobby. Ni ba bola we gbe. I get picky for his ass. Other now, any picking you and now this one make you father, then we might be a ye. Because on my mind there be a mass or no now. I gonna be a better pass this one. What soon wag more? When my way the your way? Go more. Go no more year. O more year now, me na me tia do go yaki. Picking play what now they use again. Who was soon wagmo? Apart from only me one, which other presenter don't bring DNA? When they don't accuse. No wagmo. When malaria DNA of where women who know that talk boy. I talk we will buy because if you remember say may I post me and my daughter a picture for you. May use her to compare. Momo update yeah. Momo update see. Are we mates? Now I know you. Why you people are jealous of Enogie? We see me and my soft daughter. Go away. Why you no jealous me? Now let God know the country. The love the Enogie you still get for his house. We make another show picking.
Love the Enogie. You know why they support Franco Moswo? You want me to call it your bakers? Who know the law? Hey.
But what go?
Love the Enogie. We're not donating money.
Are you okay?
Yes, the whole lady. They donate money put for your useless papa hand. The reason why they first support a Moswo, you get out for belief say one day you can't lick your bakers.
Lord, you go your way not fit bring the children come outside. Moment him move well at ya.
Make you the support.
Your own pikin will not know it be. You are not even proud of your children.
Oh, me come for Italy me for causing lick your bakers.
When they talk about me and my own daughter.
That one and lick bakers lick, I go call lick your bakers. Me or my for condom.
Who are soon wagmo? Baba Ola wegbe. No good boy wagmo no soon go update. Jobo saze. Ogioba family. Egbogioba. See your pikin. May you look at my own. When my way DNA. Umana ora. Where my girlfriend or my baby mama. Not be me get this pikin. Why can't you do DNA for your own before asking me for DNA? Who want DNA? Why not when me DNA? Who want DNA? Why we DNA? Why they forbid DNA? Lord, go and bring your own DNA because we don't even know the father of your children. To start with. Because if we know the father of your children now, like we go update now, we don't already confirm and say, not be him. See clean picture here. God forbid bad thing. God forbid. The day where my will still meet love the children, he go no say not be that they come papa as well they come mama. Because we go update don't know say I get children picture. How dare you? Post my angel. Your children fair pass Nora. He remove any. Your children fair pass my daughter. I'll be not be the one where they see for years. So. Almost was say they bury a grand. If they share person way, why share video na yaro view? Na yaro view way. Oswonu Macon. Now I know why people are jealous of me. Now me someone are not born fat children. Ma when go help you mother mo say ah. Mugo update. Now see your children room.
They pack money, they go ask. Now I go before.
Mugo update. Now see. Now I know where if they even insult our children. When I they do say not the program because I don't value them. So no man go big bomb already now. But why go more? But why go more? No, na you see pikin. Now you gonna talk about Nora. Wait, be say your own DNA. You marry la dia. Or your bad family.
Government go release everybody do DNA. Una nyas go open. That day does not mean that not get children.
This one, no. The whole world don't know. Say, okay, Mugo update. Where more?
The woman be like man. No single woman.
Now where both have a bon. Mugo update. Woman are DNA. Took your fiawu.
It don't mean her generation. See, don't mean her.
Oh, where are the Vawa? Because I'm under the beer masse. Umyo manuwe ya beer. Umya woman we ya beer. When the devil, when where Becky love, your worry you.
The bros will fill this picture. I beg their name. We need the bros.
Now all you the name is ya ke patire. You tell me the name.
The bros in this picture.
The name of the picture. The name. What about this one? More good biya. Wagemo. When I see people they saga me. Wabele man no saga me nyangwe. Wagemo. Good
afternoon.
Person carry this one come and say na pikin. Egbe mo me na deny. Good afternoon, my sister.
Can I
Contribute, my sister. Wagomo.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Jerry.
Yesterday, not even today, you have been, when you post your daughter picture, even before now, if you go check some pictures where your wife go post, and they always they comment, Nora, look so much like your mother. Are you hearing me?
Yes.
You don't need to argue with them.
Oh, I'm not even there after the DNA again. Anybody will bully my pikin, I'll bring their children come outside. It's a promise. May they see people when they talk about my Nora.
This one are latest update, children, Abi?
Yes.
Good. First and foremost, Enogie, I thank you very much. I appreciate you. I'm the lady that brought one of my data friends out that you use your platform to help some months ago. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless all Enogie lovers. God bless you all.
Amen.
In Jesus' name.
Amen.
God bless all of you. Your pockets will not dry. Enogie, God also bless you and your children.
Amen.
And they always pray for you. If you don't know me before.
Yeah.
The way you talk, illiteracy is a disease.
Well,
You and your family, you are stark illiterate. Now that I have gotten hold of your children's picture, I'm going to place them on the altar of Olorun Shof. I'm a celeb woman. I will use candles to finish your children.
Very good.
So insulting my own.
Very good.
I will finish. Next time you will not insult other people's children who you don't know before, because I brought somebody out. I myself, I know what I'm facing, but I not get use his platform, which I did not discuss with him before. You now lie on my head. Since that time, if I did watch their saga, I just they look. There's all of them. Most of them they grace. Let me put it like that, because they are liars. You say me, I know a planner to take help that woman. Through there, you started swearing for my innocent children. And me and my children, we pray for you. Me and my children, we keep praying for you. That cause that you cause us and you caused my innocent children.
And you pray and bring the children come as so. And you pray and bring the children come as so.
I'm going to pre-short them. See, you know that before you do DNA test, there's what they call phenotype.
Exactly.
Yeah? That phenotype means they go first check the face. You're an educated man. They go look the two persons whether they look alike.
Exactly.
Okay, your daughter and your mother, they look so much alike. Look not her eye, look his stature, look his body. Your sister and your mama you born. In fact, your mama really, the love you have for your mother came through that your daughter. You too love your mama.
We'll see.
I'm saying it. Okay.
We'll see.
So that no make na ya beg issue we o see ni no na le luruwere.
Yeah.
Not a issue.
We'll see.
And that's why I say put Nora picture and put your mother's picture, let people vote. And Nora, all the children you all of them are you there resemble. I'm not even your mother no here Nora. It's like he explained jealousy.
Oh, he explained it. Anything you do that Ogio me, do I return again? I will be anything at all.
Appointment in Enogie last week. Even Oyibo, he called me say, why all the children look like their father? Why?
Yes, I can't let you mommy.
When you see my baby, last baby, so all the kids look like their father.
I am telling telling you now, when Nora, no see your honey latia, no litia, nita, no more yazia.
Yeah, we are wow.
I'm not telling them all la way and came my way. Yeah, bully of your hackere no my
Area when you bomb me, ya bully over ya. A to Z. I said the one where I don't get their children picture. Finish.
By the grace of Almighty God. They will suffer for it. And he explain. You don't need any
explanation. Over here, the video I'm doing right now. The video I'm doing right now. A video they move update you right now. I don't return the egg here with me.
Yes, you have every right to. I did a candle if you are not candle, you be a canning.
I'm a more a more than a monkey. A more than a chimpanzee.
If it was a genuine heart, a Yahweh we need, I'm not going to get your body for no reason.
But when I go, all in the name of Enogie. Yeah, we are what?
And a boy of a fire of a tear bonem monubia, we are yasa, no tear bonave fancy way, no yam webobia, we are yasa, we need Jesus Christi.
No, we are what?
Oh, my brother, carry on.
I like this saga, eh? Maybe for no say, Mugo update, then we corion, then the baby mama we corion, or have a biomono corion.
Anybody, talking about children again, when I contact their children picture, you can go in anytime because they saw.
Mugo update at the better you are. But the more of your you are more bugbear. I never done with you yet, Mugo update. For your man, you feel say I don't leave you. You feel say Mumu Constance. No, what? Now, Mofi. Go DNA. I don't see go DNA way. I could better bring up to now. When we marry go DNA. Mumu Constance. Yari go DNA no moment you. Hello. Good evening, my sister.
Good evening.
My baby, let me share this video. This one on my other page. Enogie TV, guys.
I want to ask you, Mugu updates. I know say you not be new. I know say you not be new.
Oh, no, ba.
I don't know what be tradition. Eh?
Oh, no, ba.
I want to better. Nothing of what Genesis TV.
Yeah, mommy, here. I come better, marry. How soon will Wagman Mumu Constance? Oh, mommy, here. May you not tell me where go, a go, may I have already. What's he? Mary, I will let you. What we go and I already. Why are you waiting? DNA test to Spain? Everybody bring your DNA test. Yeah, we have what?
Why did it do your hand? Why did it do his style? Why did it offer destiny at all? Why did it offer to one way I was sagging you one? Why did it out for your hand destiny? I could better when all
so why get go ready a DNA go. Hey.
When they are gone, now what when one of us two my way, I didn't go, I will tell Mama. Wow,
yeah, we are one year before you get more of this. Yeah, we are one. We go money na mumu update bi omo pe anko omo me dey make no so omo biunu go omo me ti gba go fi gba go wa
Express products no be
on AliExpress children where so we ye me go better breed DNA e DNA ma gbere e constance we e gogo me na ya DNA ri gbe ya ri oge jebu ere gogo gan iye ko e no dia the door post eh. You say they accuse people wrongly. How I tell they accuse people wrongly? Abola gawe e ko better. But they said here, you say they accuse people wrongly.
Date of birth.
I'm Constance. E ko better not they accuse people wrongly.
How do you pretend la dia?
E ko better not ask person for DNA for this social media. You dey forget yourself. The only way una go tell women for this social media, if a better never accuse people wrongly. Ama iwe obo iye ladia do tawe e mataga no o said you here.
The no
Obo camera day. Uge mumu mumu update no ronya gomo. No, wanna see pikin. Ona atia bo no viere e because o vie zuwa wowa.
Etinya zuwa egbe.
E monama dey proud of. Hello ba get big now. Yeah, they proud of it. Baby,
mama go no jegbe wu na wo ya dupon gbono mo I want to buy better for children.
Wa no go wa go. But my boy must go. E mumu update wa ibu. E wana ya na ba agbe mumu update. You know guys presence is too big. Mi ya agbe mumu update. Ya wa agbe wan. You know no Mugo TV na. Ya wa ya agbe ma. Wa sungu wa mo. Egbe. Na me say man not born 5 children. Even go abele ejage.
Monagari la dia, monagari proud of.
You gba we we bed no we.
Monagari tap for this issue.
Oh, who wants this kind of tap nonsense? Actually, if you are a pregnant woman here, I better begin to piss your belly. Emono na ya zizobo yada. We ma we DNA young way. We ma we DNA. You are proud to call yourself a father with this kind of thing.
One of your lay, one Javi Moladia. Bros, when you send this picture, I beg it, their name.
Oh, we answer their going back. Did they go to Yam Mo later? What so a Bogoba? Then they mon will be. They are blood related to Ogyoba family. Ogyoba was soon Wagmo, but all love be. Now I know whether they jealous of our children. Because they don't get fat children for themselves.
So quite with their vest. You
buy
too much.
God forbid that me all get this kind of picking on you.
I'm not trying that rubbish.
When we are here, I am not here to explain to anybody. I am here to saga you back. Why they explain to? I do that for a purpose. I have there be able to insurance. A Bobby no roti and you here because why only here
here. If you want video I come across, you say we dey born for a living. You we 3 mama born, 3 women born for you. You throw away there. They throw away you. Iya mu we fa koko meli boy. We born for a living. They are children. The children they with us. My husband they with them. You know about the way you about your own. If you have we baby mama we our very Kenya we working here. Koko meli boy.
All the children we born now. Ogbawe ahian we are.
Okunya la wa su loko yan. Ya be ga.
E Bobby na su loko yan.
Oh, si o we you wish yan. Baby mama e ha. Baby mama e ha not there o boy ro ko
un trust me. I'll find their names. Anybody we talk about Nora for this thing. Or almost go do Kevin Ladian.
Our region we test. Our
region we test.
We will say we mo picture Ladian.
Picture Nora Ladian must go. You will be Kevin Ladian.
Okay, Kevin Ladian okay. Ke get not bane na mozu ho. We Kevin not no mozu finger.
All of them.
Ari Ladian be.
If you Ladian.
Wa junu gwan da na normal.
You go bring go DNA. Okay, wanna go bring go J-boy home.
We are dey take gbene ni J-boy gbene mi.
But you go J-boy or J-boy re. Go and bring the go DNA of J-boy. Them will make call. Mogato be met in our UK. Here English. Here English. Wa sungu wagmo. Nu we met talk buwa. You see why the shakara? Ube no say na you bogbewe because I got 5 children. Why am I no say wo wa?
My wife
Then you go update. But not your global nekere. You get the man come and post my beautiful daughter. Ikpori remark beku we post to me platform away. When we can I be no mo se very on. But don't be arwa o.
Be like boy remark le gbe ko we.
But don't be arwa o.
Get this speaking only style low na angel.
But don't be arwa o.
Na angel.
But don't be mo net your head.
Celebrity.
God forbid. I beg igbo mo we na go tap.
Money amula
You want go the tap rubbish.
Boya drag. She's so beautiful.
Why are you DNA? No update. This is DNA season. Go and bring your DNA. No worry about money. No working amogun. No when I rua na demu. Oso alua gas na igbo all waiting. Yogi no yakpa yagmori. Oho ma we to. Da o no ba fi de o go zo lo abetu.
Ije no biara ma to so yen we to. You know you come.
Also you know lo gas.
Anything you wish my children, I wish
you. Of the work be you at a young age. What be you?
And you wish you na wish you were back him go.
What be you 2003?
Lucky.
Iyi men we ya wobo. Iyi me iragmo. What be you? What be you no be you? I am ready for you guys to saga you guys. Till infinity. I don't get where they split to. Bring it up. Anybody who wants to bring it up. If you post my daughter, I'll post your own. Except I don't get your own. You're the header for me. Because yeah, I'm here. Even you worry more God is in the area don't work way. Wagmo. Bring your children come out for his house. We'll do children competition. Maybe my wife may dress my children in the evening or tomorrow. May you bring your command, not bury more. The jealousy boo wagmo. If you are wow, if you are most wow, a more done what I have barely. It will never use. Mono ya.
No, they're spending me way.
I got no be a bad. I got one of my demo. One must away now. Or 20 on only one hammer. Or 200 get in audio. Only my report. Then where we are doing one. I be aware. I say the Taga Mabo Bebedelio. One of my bogbe. Egbenero era na tie bonomo. The very act by Webuari, Egberi Yoko Yere. Of your ba family. Ozuonu Mako. Yaga Okada Yama wa. And deny people flat. Onira Alehia, Ayimwira. Udoyo. Whoever boy I got no yatero to me, was not to me ban. Now wabble where I wagmo, no we soon. See the first one we did that. Second one, more. They may have your Ladia. Okay, wagu. Okay, wagu, no was salwa wagmo. Two years and 8 months, I have your meaning. Not way.
Good maintenance.
Don't react last way.
Good maintenance, good care. After 6 years, in the young man, I wear glasses. After 6 years, 5 years. I
can't be proud. Yes, no.
From Bele cry blood come out.
Egbe never peace of man. Egbe no wa. Egbe laje. Egbe ni laje na you ya your ba. Melo ki we party. On your save you have Havana. But if they know more updates, and they fear you, but no you can hear it. I come on me 32 years. Vous vivez là, doit vivre. Oh, what you go wa? If you wa ah beria to asefo a imo dan mo ni owa mo ni alegbe dan na gba barwa onoro na wa ono ma make ilari ona we gbe egbe mu go update yen ri imo ne ti ohe imo ne use China children, China made children, made the China children. Imono debaya yak madu boom. Wa sun wagmo wa abo la wagbe wagmo. You know they see no that picture what you post today. Ma bury the light. Ma bury the star in that my daughter. Ma bury the DNA well at them. When you may have a woman at them. May we see the name of your son and the name of you. I beg you, we don't already know your name. If you cover your address, I'm not interested. Emo limité, emo gbebita, emo ye na inamula javugoto. Then we have to go megwan. It costs us if you're relay. Or where the saga. Then when I have a picture of you with me. But mama only a saga emo. I don't like it. But I'll be on man when I post a picture of me platform where. I'll be on. Soon, more update. When man away DNA test to soon. Where you are where you live video at your way. Now, where you live video at your way. What salary? I'm going to explain to. I don't already post within I post yesterday, and that is final. I don't explain to any of my haters. I'm not interested. If they like, they believe. They like, not believe. Yeah, so who for like her. And my haters, I explain to. What concern me, concern them. I posted it for a reason. I heard they'll be able to insurance. The letter is still with me. DNA for no is with me. I'll be Bobby say, if we see, we'll hear the story. Ebonyamu with Bobby Mafo, or for the Israel, or when me Mumu Constance, you'll begin to talk about DNA. I know they trusted. If you saga my piki, I'll saga J-boy. If you post Nora for that your platform on the Constance, Mumu Constance, J-boy ladia. It's one a J-boy. Wow, warrior barrier, about fear. Why are being on Mose? What total man was zoo? Why are being on Mose? I am away where I be on Mose. Men were both Weber. Don't worry, you imagine Yari. But if many will have video now, I wait the way. It didn't way. You don't tell me I have Billy Money. E money, ne girlfriend we ga amu yupo.